Hello everyone. Today we'll be starting with the next chapter, practical geometry. Now in this we are going to do construction, and on the basis of construction we are going to construct with the help of compass and scale. We are going to construct triangles. Now in this exercise 13.1 certain questions are there. Measurements are given to us, and on the basis of these measurements we are going to construct a triangle. Okay, now the first question is, you have to draw this equilateral triangle with this side 7.2. Now if you know that what is an equilateral triangle, if I'm going to make a rough figure of this equilateral triangle means whose all sides are equal. If this is 7.2, this is also 7.2, and this is also 7.2 centimeters. Now this we have drawn, but now we have to construct it with the help of compass and scale. So now what we are going to do, this is the rough figure which I am going to explain you, which I have explained you just now. Now let us see. First of all, with the help of scale, draw a line of 7.2. I am taking big page. 7.2. Till here it is 7.2, and I am naming it B and C, and this is 7.2 centimeters. Now if you will see, from here also I want 7.2 measurement, and from this line also I need 7.2 measurement. I will do what is, I am going to open my compass of 7.2. 7.2, place the compass here and open it of the measurement 7.2. Now we have opened it of 7.2. From this point, make an arc like this. This arc is going to be of 7.2. Similarly, from this point C, again make an arc, and this arc is also going to be of 7.2. Now this is the point of intersection of these two arcs. Join this point, this intersection point, with B. From here I am joining with B, and from here I am joining with C. This is A. Now if you are going to measure AB, that is going to come out to be 7.2. Yes, it is 7.2. And if you are going to measure A and C, that is also going to turn out to be 7.2. And yes, it is also 7.2. So this is also 7.2 centimeters, and this is also 7.2 centimeters. And hence triangle ABC is the required, let me write it with pen, triangle. So ABC is the required triangle in this question number 1, A part. This is an equilateral triangle. Okay, now let us move to B part. In B part, again, if you will see, we are having three measurements. We are having three sides of the triangle. One is AB side, which is 5.5 centimeters. One is BC side, which is 4.4 centimeters. And one is AC side, which is 2.8 centimeters. Now, if I am going to draw a rough figure here, see, any one of these sides you can take as the base. For example, I am taking here B and C. I am taking here BC. And what is BC? 4.4 centimeters. Now this AB is how much? 5.5. So from point B, you are going to open an arc of 5.5 and you are going to draw like this, 5.5. And from CA, that means from C point, you are going to open an arc of 2.8. Whatever is going to be the intersecting point of the arc, you are going to join it, and that is going to be your figure. Now let us draw it with the help of compass and D. Now first of all, let us draw. Now any of these you can draw. If you want to draw as a base AB, first of all 5.5, you can draw that. BC, you can draw that. Now I am drawing BC. BC is 4.4. So 4.4 measurement of line I have drawn. This is B and this is C, and this is 4.4 centimeters. You have to label it. Yes, this is 4.4. Now the next BC I have drawn. Now I can see this is the point B, and here I have this I have B point, and AB is 5.5. So with the help of this scale I am going to open it and I am going to mark it. I am going to open it of 5.5 centimeters, and then I am going to draw an arc. Okay, and the next is CA. That means from here I am going to draw an arc of 2.8. So open the compass till 2.8, and from C part draw it. Now this is the intersection point. You can see this intersection point of these two arcs. Join this intersection point with the point C and with the point A. This point is A, and ABC is now the required triangle. AB side is how much? 5.5. When you are going to measure it with the help of scale, it has to come out to be 5.5. Here it is 5.5. Yes. And here is AC, which is 2.8. Yes, it is also 2.8. So this is the correct. So ABC is the required triangle. Is the required triangle you will have to write here. Okay, so this is your B part. Now let us do C part. Isosceles triangle with equal sides 4 and the included angle as 44. Now see, if I am going to talk about an isosceles triangle means whose two sides are equal and they are saying the included angle has to be 44. Okay. Now let us draw this. If I am going to draw 4.4, one line 4.4, I am drawing here A and then 4.4. Okay. Now they are saying one angle which is included is 44. Now with the help of protractor, you are going to draw an angle of 44. Here it is 44. Just join it. So this angle is 44. Now two sides of an isosceles triangle are equal. If one side is 4.4, one more side also going to be 4.4. What you will do is, after making an angle of 44, cut this line up to 4.4, because this can extend to as much length as it can, but we have to cut it. Now I am going to cut it at 4.4. So here I have cut A, B and C. This is C. This is 4.4 centimeters. Okay, and now this intersection point join with B. This join with B, and now ABC is the required isosceles triangle. So I am going to write here ABC is the required isosceles triangle. Now in this D part, we are having two sides of the triangle and one angle is given to us. How we are going to construct it? See, whichsoever angle is given, on the basis of that angle, out of the other two sides, take that side in which that angle is given. For example, this is N angle. So here in LM, no angle N is there. So you will not write this one. You are going to take MN because here N is there. So first of all, take the base measurement of 4.2. Draw a line of 4.2. This is N and this is M I am taking here. 4.2. Now on this N, you are going to construct an angle of 50 degrees. Here I am going to place this, and this is going to be 50 degrees. Now join this from the point N. Okay. Now since from this line we have constructed, this angle also we have constructed. Now this line is left, which is LM. So that means from the point M, I am going to make an arc of 3.4. So let us make arc of 3.4. Open the compass, take the measurement of 3.4 and make an arc. like this. Now you have to check where this arc and this line is going to meet. They are meeting at this point. So this, join it with L and M. This point is L and this is M. So LM is 3.4. Okay, and just measure it with the help of scale. How much it is going to be? 3.6. So this is going to be 3.6 centimeters. And this is the required triangle, LMN. So you're going to write here, LMN is the required triangle. In this, angle N is 50 degrees. Okay, and this was your question number 1. All 4 parts have been done. Now next move to question number 2. Now in question number 2, what they are saying is a triangle ABC with the side AB 8 centimeter and BC 7 centimeters is to be constructed. So one side is AB, which is 8 centimeters, and one side is BC, which is 7 centimeters, and this is to be constructed. Identify with which measure of angle A, that means out of these 3 angles, I am going to take which angle of A so that a triangle is formed. Okay, now if you will see, first of all, let us draw this line AB. Now let us draw AB. AB 8 centimeters. So this A and B is 8 centimeters. This we have drawn. Now this is BC. That means out of these 2 points, in this what is given? BC is given, and which is how much? 7 centimeters. So from point B, I am going to make an arc of 7 centimeters. Let's do it. From point B, make an arc of 7 centimeters. Okay. Now the question is, since you have drawn AB, BC also you have taken the arc, but what is the required angle A so that you are able to form the required triangle? And now that you are going to find on the basis of this. Now angle A should be what? Angle A should be 90. If angle A is going to be 90, the line is going to go straight. It will not form a triangle. If I am going to take 61 is here. This is 61. So yes, if I am going to join this point 61 with this arc, I am getting one intersection point, and then I can join the next 2 points also. This and this, A, B, and this angle A is 61. Okay, so that means B part is the answer of this question number 2. Let's do question number 3. In this question number 3, we have been given 3 sides of a triangle and we have to frame a triangle UVW. Now we are having 3 sides on this. Let us construct it. Firstly, let us take any of the sides you can take. I am taking UW 6.2. So I am going to draw like this, U and W. Now on this point U, I am having UV line which is 2.9. So I am going to open up to 2.9 and I am going to make an arc like this. And then from W point I am having VW which is 8.5. So this is 8.5. Let us open it. From point W, just make an arc. Now the point at which these 2 arcs are intersecting, join that point with the next 2 points, that is with U, join this with U and then with W. Okay, this point is V point. Now UV point is there which was 2.9. So this is going to be 2.9 centimeters. UW we have constructed this 6.2 centimeters and VW we have constructed 8.5 centimeters. So UVW is the required triangle here. Okay, so this was your question number 3. Now let's move to question number 4. Now in this question number 4, a triangle has been formed by Sushant. He has drawn a rough sketch and you have to tell whether with these measurements is it correct that we have to make this triangle can be formed. Now we are having 2, 4 and 6. Now, if you have to check on the basis of the measurements whether a triangle can be formed or not, we are going to check here with the help of triangle inequality. Now, what is triangle inequality? Triangle inequality means sum of any two sides should be greater than the third side. So, if I'm going to take firstly 4 and 6, what is 4 and 6? 10. This 10 is greater than the third side, which is 2. So, yes, it is correct. Till now, a triangle can be formed. Let us take 2 and 6. If I am going to add 2 and 6, that is 8. And this 8 is greater than the third side, which is 4. So, this is also correct. Now, 2 and 4. 2 plus 4 is equals to 6. But this 6 is not greater than 6. It is equals to 6. That means one case has come out to be wrong. This means this triangle cannot be formed with these measurements. Okay. Now, let's move to question number 5. Question 5 is construct a triangle PQR with the measurements PQ 7 centimeters, QR 6 centimeters and PR 5 centimeters. Now let us see. First of all, PQ. Any of these lines you can draw, but I am drawing firstly PQ. So PQ, let us draw the line of 7 centimeters from this to this. PQ 7 centimeters. Okay. Now the next is from QR 6 centimeters. So from point Q, you are going to draw an arc of 6 centimeters. So open up your compass of 6 centimeters. Draw an arc like this. The next is from point P, PR line of 5 centimeters. So open up the arc or open up the compass till 5 centimeters. So from here, point P and this. Now join this point with P. So this point comes out to be R. PR will come out to be 5 centimeters and this RQ or QR will come out to be 6 centimeters. So I can say PRQ is the required triangle. And this is your exercise 13.1. Thank you everyone.